We the hottest in the city. Uncle Trump, fuck up the street. Brand new track, all purple, it big geek. We not fucking with the Twitter. Fuck, I look like Sydney Sweets. Niggas always doing all that fucking poppin' till we meet. Niggas clicking up like feet. When this shit get real, begging for bites don't kill. Dropping these niggas, leave him in the field. Fuck with your friend, no kind you feel. I'm ripping these beats so I can make me a meal. Pushing the gas, I'ma hit.
Y'all, I ain't got no GoPro, so it's gonna be kind of difficult to get the footage for y'all. So, but I'm gonna try my best to get some footage. So I'm gonna see y'all there. Shoot. Beautiful, beautiful day. We finna get some videos for y'all. I can't say this is not one of the cleanest benches I've seen it. Well, in my opinion, the best bench I've seen, in my opinion. That bitch so clean, bro. Like, what?
This is why I think that it didn't go. Look on the other side, down at the footpath. Alright. Damn! Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah, I think you need a seal or some shit, my boy.
Yeah, it's a seal. I think it's the shifter seal.
Yeah, you gotta take the fucking top in. Yeah, you gotta split that bitch.
What, to get that out?
Man, well, nah, not really. Yeah, I don't know that motor, so I wouldn't know.
Nah,
bro.
real shit though, it does need balance though. Balance are done.
Oh, you got an event going on? Oh, that's why Zay was saying he was gonna be deep.
Yeah,
oh, so there's more people gonna pull up later.
You gonna see what's gonna go down.
Oh yeah.
You gonna
Hey, the lot might look dead for now, bro.
No, the lot gonna get lit.
But it gonna get lit tonight, y'all.
It's around 4, bro. It's early as shit, bro.
Damn.
Bro. It's 2:23. Yeah, it's just I be here, bro. I be here.
Hey, man. Wait, what the hell?
You didn't see that shit? No, what's in gear right now?
We got a reverse clutch, the auto clutch.
That bit like a semi-automatic. What the fuck? What the hell? We got Zay out in this bitch. We got okay. Business today. We talking business today. We talking business today. Come on, Zay.
Hold on to it, bro.
That boy came in lit. Damn, 12 y'all already. Fuck, how you feel?
I need a leaf.
Huh?
That's how I feel. I need a leaf.
You
I need a fucking leaf.
Okay. We got that in this. We gonna put this to work. Oh God.
I like it. Damn, that's straight.
The hell from ball. What, your K8?
Nigga was used to that motherfucker. I was going crazy on that bitch. Oh, he back out.
Oh, he popping out again.
I feel like he can jump over all that shit. That little bike just jerk.
Oh God. I don't even know. That bitch regular stock too. That shit the OEM one for everything.
I like that shit.
You see how I ain't trying to fuck up the OEM bar, so I just hit the hammer with the older bar. I wish I had my old bar. The one that leaked crack. That he fell off of. Man, I missed that motherfucker. I scraped like hell, but it still lasted.
You reminiscing, nigga?
Huh?
You reminiscing?
I'm reminiscing, yeah.
Oh, y'all boys are different with the
See, I don't know how the fuck they do it with the dirt bike.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh!
You gonna be alright? That's alright. Everybody alright.
Yeah. Oil. Hold on.
Soon I just scraped the floor, my feet stripped. It slipped off this shit. Look at this shit.
Damn, nigga. You cracked my case. Where? Damn. Right there.
Damn, you cracked my case, nigga. How much that shit gonna be?
Oh, Dada, nigga.
Man, whatever it is, I'm gonna straighten that shit out.
Man, you G, my nigga. That's a little boo boo, man.
Oh no, I'm gonna keep it like that, son. You know,
That shit just
weird.
you just wipe it off and then you
Fuck,
put
nah, I
that
ain't
shit
finna
on.
buy no JB Weld, nigga. I'm finna put that bitch in my pants. I'm out.
Enjoy that shit, nigga.
Come on, let's do this shit.
What happened? Then they got a little hole in that shit.
Y'all finna slide?
They got the Walmart. Hey, they got the motherfucking Walmart up the road. They might have that shit in the corner or not. They got.
I ain't got no autos on.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I know they got the Walmart.
I promise you, I had to do that shit in my dirt bike.
Watch my shit, son.
Oh yeah, I got you. Bro.
Watch that bitch, son. I'll be right there.
Hey man,
It feel like a mountain bike. You just
what the fuck?
that goddamn starter fluid strong as hell, man.
I don't know why you had to pay that close anyway, nigga.
Damn.
Why the hell you were that close to it?
Hey, look at this shit. That shit don't make sense. How the fuck that makes I like that shit.
They finna race it. Let me stay out that way real quick.
I'm trying to see. I'm just letting my shit cool down for right now.
I didn't know I needed oil. I ain't trying to dog. I know I needed oil.
I just got mine, but I don't know because my shit do
change
be
my oil
leaking
before I
oil too.
came, but I didn't have the little tools. I was like, I knew I needed oil change. They just said we gonna really.
Damn. That's what I like about these niggas. These niggas always ride like that, but it just be so fucking fire. Okay, we got the mechanics now.
He was drying the
That
oil.
bitch dry. That bitch dry now.
He was drying the oil over y'all.
Oh, but if he was just talking about this shit, he keep on saying, I hope that bitch dry.
Nah, he put the I have stop to it.
Huh?
That rag on that shit, bro.
Bro, if he shifted was like that at first, that shit would never did that. That nigga shifted was like right there by his casing. That shit would always do that.
Came in tools with the handy.
Mix that shit.
Oh God. His ass would have to be walking with
Every
stitches.
part about it.
Yeah, that bit fell on the
How
stone.
I
It could
feel?
have landed on your fucking foot.
Nah, cause look,
Your knee hit the
I
ground.
fell when I tried to come back up. Like I dragged my hand when I came back, when I was trying to lift myself back up.
I guess his foot came out and slipped off type shit.
Bro, that shit, it's how his shit is. That motherfucker, that bitch point out like this.
You gonna keep on talking shit about my bike?
I mean, hey, Dada, you were the one who fell. He didn't fall. He just steady talking shit.
I'm top limit, man. Fuck.
Oh, that's a workout though. They ain't gonna be. They ain't gonna be in the clouds just
Hey,
doing
come
that.
in, my boy. Let's hit that motherfucker.
Like, he ain't got nothing in right now.
Nah, son, I got
Bit. You gonna be on Planet My CC, nigga.
Hell nah, that boy gonna be all over her.
His he told he want me to die.
Y'all can't have me at nobody college party.
Oh god. That motherfucker had everything in that bitch. That's good. Keep going.
Clear.
That nigga. So he rushed out the car. You going, daddy? Oh, that nigga gee. What the fuck?
Oh,
His ass got
oh shit.
No, I got it.
Oh, that boy look at him like you rookie. Oh shit.
You a rookie? Oh, that one pull got his ass good.
Bo, you would have Bo, you would have threw
I
up.
tried to go back and clear that bitch.
God, you would have threw up.
Oh shit. I'm still recording.
You got all that shit, bro.
Why did that nigga call my chest out, boy?
I only got the second part where he tried to clear that bitch out.
Oh shit.
What's going on, my man? Where you at? Where you at? Where's your bike? My bike, Zay got it right now. He right behind you.
This shit right here. This shit got hella joint like. That's how I keep busting my shit on them. Fuck out here.
For real?
You know, fuck my bike up about 3 times.
I done scraped down the YZ250 he brought out.
Money, bitch on P. If you ever think I'm capping, ask that hoe I fuck to sleep. I ain't doing no name dropping, that little hoe pussy weak. If she living with her grandma or my mama, she a freak. She said I was a tenant, now she tripping, she a creep. He wearing out his partner shit and told it partner glee. It's getting cold outside, but I won't never leave my heat. That season coming up when you gon' trick and she gon' treat. They can't never knock me down like check up on my feet. Bro popping all these addicts, he seen demons in his sleep. Yeah, I'm back up on my shit, got B-22s all on my feet. We the hottest in the city, come through trim, fuck up the street. Brand new track, all purple, they big geek. We not fucking with the Twitter, fuck I look like sending tweets. Niggas always doing all that fucking popping till we meet. Nigga clicking up like seatbelt, but that can't save you from me. Yeah, I got hella hoe, but I got money, bitch on P. If you ever think I'm capping, ask that hoe I fuck sleep. They told me slow it down, but I can't up that bitch some more. 20 on my chain and on my watch, add a cup, 17K, that's straight, put it on the floor. I was thinking about it, I'm the one, I gotta grow some more. Bitch, I'm like the pizza man, I always come and make my dough. Said they wanted smoke, but where you at? Bitch, I'm at your door. Almost went out too damn bad, by the fucking hoe, it's really getting weak. Keep my pole, can't even trust your folks. Yeah, you can't even trust your folks. Yeah, you can't even trust your folks. Free all the fucking bros. Free DBL, nigga, free them all.
Got the money on the black motherfucker. Got more money on the black man. Get up out of there. Come on, George.
That what you get, nigga.
That boy not catching up. Oh, he won. He won. He caught him. He caught him. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, they is. Woo. That might go wrong. That might go stupid.
You talking about your man?
No.
Gas that boy like that.
Hey, twin. I want to see you go crazy now. Gotta go crazy. Okay. You got that been doing? Ready to fall off again? Ready to fall off again?
What? welcome to the limit industry, man. Well, we fuck up bikes, but shit,
I'm
we
telling
good
you,
at
you
what
got
we
a whole
do. You
deal
fuck
of
up sometimes, shit. When you fuck up, just go goddamn get a new one. Cash out.
Cash out on God. See,
I can walk over here, bro. Chuck it.
we lit as fuck, right? Nah. That boy is lit. Hey, y'all straight, bro. Hey man, we in the whip right now. Shit, we finna head back to the crib. See, I put the bike back up. You feel me? Hey man, today was lit. It was lit as fuck. Ain't gonna count. Say.
I'm down on that one.
When this shit get real, begging for bites don't kill. Top of these niggas leave